everybody, welcome back to the Wig Studio One YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about my favorite wig of the month. I named it the wig of the month because it is the one that I've reached for the most. If you know me, you know that I do love that short to mid-length curly or wavy style category, and this is a brand new style that fits that bill. This is Margu Claire in the color 26GR. You can find this style at Wig Studio One. Drop below the video, expand the description box. There will be a direct product link in there labeled Margu Claire. If you click on the link, it'll take you out to the site. You can see the colors and the pricing. We invite you to shop right here at Wig Studio One. If you have any questions for us, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. And don't forget to visit our private Facebook group called the Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. All of those links are also below the video. You're going to find a very smooth fringe at about 5.5 inches. I always say this has that Lady Di kind of sweeping fringe. It just goes right back into the style and stays out of the face so nicely. A very practical fringe makes a wig easy to wear. And for it to be my favorite wig of the month, it has to be easy to wear. It features this gorgeous kind of a modern wave. It's got a taper at the end. It's been texturized at the ends. It gives it a modern salon fresh look. Now this wig has a lot of permatease every square inch of this cap. However, this is the perfect style to feature that much permatease because you get that soft lifted volume all day long. So you can certainly get a nice round voluminous look that can be sustained. However, if you like something with a little bit of a slimmer profile, now you've got to like volume on this, but if you like a slimmer profile, it can be done. You just have to sort of shrink that profile around the temple just to get a slimmer look around the face. And then you can fluff everything out through the back. It has a lot of elements of shag to it, doesn't it? I love the shag styles, especially the wavy ones. They're so flattering on so many face shapes. The style features a completely open cap, open wefted top, sides, and back. I love that because that way you can get the permatease that's necessary to sustain the volume on this style. But what it also does, it keeps the price point down because there's no lace or monofilament. So I really appreciate that. I really feel like these types of wigs are those grab and go, those shake and go, or those plug and chug wigs, as I like to say. So this is one that I have been reaching for. In fact, I got it, and before I even had a chance to review it, I wore it and absolutely loved it. And everybody thought it was just me. They loved my hair.